𝗧𝗵𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 button, your fire may be fanned and stoked in true fire-fast style. A perfect flow of oxygen is produced by these battery-powered bellows, and the flame retardant nozzle makes it possible to direct the bellows exactly where it's required. You'll have an advantage over the next fire because the tool you're using has an ergonomic design and a comfortable grip handle. Its battery life is also quite good, giving it a competitive advantage. It saves battery, and if it's dropped, it will turn off by itself automatically. So, if you want something that's reusable, long-lasting, and is incredibly lightweight, this gadget is for you. 𝗏𝗏𝗏 1001 watch. Also known by the name 𝗏𝗏𝗏 1000 pocket watch, this is the perfect workplace gadget for men. It has two satellite systems in place, one for determining the time and the other for the calendar, which is something that has never been done before. This pocket watch is made of steel and has a unique coating that makes it look really cool. This thing appears to weigh about 3 pounds. The back of it opens up, allowing people to see right through it. And the indicators that are located on the back here are actually a running meter. This means that if the watch is running continuously, it will track up to something like 1,000 years, allowing it to determine how long it's been running for. It also contains an oil change indicator which alerts the users when maintenance is required. It's a lovely thing, but it's very expensive, as they cost over $4,100 each, and there's only 8 of them available. The curated 6-bit driver tool. You don't get to choose when or where your knife has to be cleaned or maintained. The curated 6-bit driver tool designed by Joe Wu is a portable bit driver that can be stored in a toolbox, a bag, or other similar locations. It's ideal for keeping knives in good condition. The bits are kept safe inside the handle, and when they're needed, they're magnetically inserted into the hex socket. There are 6 different Torx bits in the set: a T6, T7, T8, T9, T10, and a T15. It effortlessly fits in the hand, which gives more control for precision work. This driver set is the ideal addition to your multi-tool in terms of functionality and variety. You'll be ready for any work that comes your way if you tuck it into your pocket and pack and keep it there. It's always the appropriate tool to use at the appropriate time. Rack Magnetic Wristband. The Rack Magnetic Wristband is a tool that every man, from the most experienced expert to the casual user, absolutely needs to have. It's ideal for use in home environment, building, carpentry, automotive repair, and a wide variety of other do-it-yourself projects. In addition to that, it works wonderfully for repairing things like ceiling fans, HVAC systems, electronic repairs, scrapbooking, sewing, gardening, and a lot of other things too. Its exterior is covered in 1680D ballistic nylon, making it capable of withstanding anything, while its inner side shields your skin with double-layered soft mesh. However, it's not only for your wrist. You can also strap it to your belt or hang it over your workbench so that the tools are easily accessible. This wristband is a third helping hand for when you need it the most. It has 10 very powerful magnets that can hold on to nails, screws, and other metal components. Therefore, there's no need to search in pockets or grit your teeth. Put an end to dropping and losing screws, and get back to work by using Rack Magnetic Wristband. 𝗏𝗏𝗏 LED Display Watch. Next on our list of stylish LED watches is one with a one-of-a-kind analog digital display. That night vision wood watch from 𝗏𝗏𝗏 is one of the company's watches that is easiest to read. The hours are displayed in the outer ring in the same manner as hours are displayed on a clock, and the flashing light within the ring denotes the current hour, while in the center there is a computerized display of the minutes. The date is also displayed within it in the same manner. To display the date, tap the lower button and the month will be displayed in the outer ring, while the date will be displayed digitally in the center. Night vision wood, which is used in this watch, has been carefully manufactured, using only natural wood, and has a protective clear coating, like all 𝗏𝗏𝗏 wood watches. Rack Universal Socket Grip. Let's have a look at the Rack Universal Socket right now. This socket tool has 54 incredibly strong steel rods that are individually spring-operated, which allows the socket to automatically conform to any shape instantaneously from a standard 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch, and from metric 7mm to 19mm. Using the rack universal socket tool, you'll have no trouble completing any home improvement project. So, get things done more swiftly and efficiently by switching to different heads without replacing the socket. This socket can be used on hex nuts, square nuts, eye bolts, bolt heads, and even heads that have been damaged. Therefore, you could replace your entire socket set with this 2-piece kit in order to save time, money, and space. Cranky hunting gear tree climbing steps. Let's get rid of ladders, because with the new Cranky high-performance tree steps, you just have to stick it, crank it, and then climb it. Cranky steps are available as a full package that includes 7 aluminum steps that are neatly packed and kept in a carrier device that hooks easily to your belt, with this handy ratchet wrench included as well. You'll fall in love with the Cranky steps if you're a hunter. Simply knock the step against the tree, turn the screw, and you'll have a solid tree step that's ready to be used. Cranky steps are not only quick, but they can be installed with just one hand, making your task easier while also keeping you safe. Truss Multi-Tool. This is Truss Multi-Tool that's manufactured by Gerber. With its 17 functional tools and space-saving design, the Truss Multi-Tool meets the needs of any professional user, also making it capable of completing any job. This butterfly open multi-tool comes with a variety of features which include spring-loaded needle nose pliers, standard pliers, wire cutters, saw, cross driver, wire stripper, large flathead driver, full serrated blade, scissors, small flathead driver, can opener, bottle opener, awl, ruler, medium flathead driver, file on reverse, full plane edge blade, tool lock, and lanyard hole. What else do you need for just $60? 𝗏𝗏𝗏 U4 titanium carabiner with folding utility knife. At first glance, it may appear that the only purpose of the 𝗏𝗏𝗏's carabiner is to carry keys. But if you look very closely, you'll notice that the edge of the titanium tool is equipped with a foldable pocket knife. It's a useful addition to your everyday carry, which is why you should have it. It uses 11 scalpable blades when it's not in use and can be folded back safely into the body of the carabiner. In addition, the carabiner has ruler lines on it that go up to a distance of 4 centimeters for measuring purposes. This multifunctional gadget can serve as a knife, a ruler, and a keychain holder, all in one convenient package. And the best part is, it just costs $32.95. Rolling Square In-Charge 6 cable. These days, we have a lot of portable devices, yet they seem to break down at the most unexpected time. And in order to charge them, we need a large number of costly cables. Here comes In-Charge 6. If you want to save money without sacrificing quality, the In-Charge 6 keyring cable is your best bet. Its innovative construction makes it possible to carry no fewer than 6 separate charging wires on a single keychain. You can quickly and easily sync your data between your mobile devices and desktops using In-Charge 6, which also charges them. It enables one phone to charge another, as well as additional devices like wireless headphones or earbuds. It works with Android, iOS, and other devices that have USB-C, Lightning, or micro USB ports. What else can you expect for $19? OGT Survival Companion Pro. With the Survival Companion Pro multi-tool, you'll have everything you need to survive right in the palm of your hand. The sturdy aluminum body is designed to withstand damage while you fight against bad weather and stay alive. The hand tool has fold-out rods made of ferrocerium and magnesium that can be used to start fire. Additionally, the tool has a blade sharpener, an emergency whistle, and reflective panels. It also has a compass and thermometer, which are also important for survival. With all that, it has a strong belt clip that can be removed. It contains a screwdriver, a bottle and can opener, 4 different hex wrenches, a scraper with serrations, and a ruler. It's a really amazing survival multi-tool, which the majority of adventure seekers would love and can be purchased for only $25. 𝗡𝗥 Survival Kit. It's a useful item for families getting ready to go camping, hiking, or participating in Boy Scouts, as well as for adventurous men and boys who are interested in these activities. A lot is packed in this survival kit. Manua Survival Paracord bracelets, a water bottle clip, a wire saw, a scraper, an emergency blanket, flintstone, 4 pieces of fire tinder, a whistle, a saber card, a flashlight, a survival pin, 2 carabiners, a multi-purpose spoon and fork, 4 pieces of fishing equipment, and a box. Keep this life-saving kit in a backpack, glove compartment, drawer, pocket, or purse, or fasten it to your waist with the supplied ranger band and keep it close while rock climbing or riding a mountain bike. It has multiple applications, such as helping you to stay alive in an emergency or an expedition. Everything you could ever want is included for the low price of just $32.59. If you like the video, check out this video of amazing robotic animals you must see.